pretty hot today, but the rain definitely didn't come in and jack with me. These were pretty easily assembled. Played hell trying to level them off, but got it done. Really high quality cedar wood out of Oregon somewhere. 27 inches tall and a 4x8. Got me some supplies today. Got these nice corner trim packs that really pulled it together, and there's actually a trim pack that's going to go around the top, but I'm not going to put that in there until I get done getting all my dirt and material in there. I don't want to scrape up the trim, so it's going to kind of have a lid that lays over it. These guys are just getting huge. I mean, just you can hardly tell that this is a stepped raised bed now. Got me a little hummingbird. He's not there now, but likes to hang out on that little limb right there and go feed. Banana trees. This one is just constantly putting on another leaf by leaf. The other one hasn't put on a new leaf. Looks like it went through a hurricane. None so far this year. And then here's the other one. Same deal, 4x8. And then it's got these stability bars in them too. So it's got these dowels. It kind of fits together like a puzzle and interlocks. And then you put the dowel, steel dowel through it. It's been raining so much I got crawfish holes. But anyways, tomorrow we'll get some more work done. So I've got a couple little baby cucumbers, one's right there. And just been trying to train them to go up the trellis. Zip tying them, cutting off most of the runners. Just taking a look at our hanging baskets, they're doing good. Lots of flowers. Let's go out and see the pollinator garden. Very pleased with that. The smaller of the banana plant is put out a new leaf. Let's look at our hot peppers first, actually. So, still got to put my worm castings and mulch out here, but really impressed with the quality of how this turned out. Put the basil in the middle. Peppers are taking off. I've got them all labeled. I actually picked a pepper off of one of them the other day. And went through a little shock. I clipped the top of these basils so they bush out more. Put the basil in there for smell and also to keep some predator bugs away. But since I topped them, you can see they really bushed out. Most of them. I still had to top a couple more. That one in the back there is kind of suffering a little. And I got some backups. Couldn't get all of them in here. Check out this lichen that's growing on this stump. Some really weird stuff. Alright. So I'm gonna let's go over here. Look at this dude, man. Like, this stalk is huge. Here it is in my hand in comparison, like just trying to grab around it. Putting out a baby pup. Thought that was cool. Looks like a little corn stalk. Looks like it's on steroids. And then over here, once we got finished, I put decided to just go ahead and put 3 jalapenos here on the end. Those are the 2 tomatoes I'm going to replace. But the other ones are doing great. Got me a little baby Roma tomato. And again, with the nice cages with the basil going down the center. Got some more tomatoes there. I really like the way that the beds turned out. And I am going to still put a landscape border around this and do cypress mulch. That's kind of how it all turned out. I'm really happy with it. Just want to show you real quick what we did have left over. But I'm going to stop by this hibiscus real quick. Getting really big, full. Should have bloom soon. I'm going to drop some master blend liquid fertilizer, and I have done 1 shot of that over this and the peppers. Flower bed hadn't needed it. Rose bush needs some master blend on it and trim back. Really like that cucumber tunnel. So I did wind up having a few all my bell peppers didn't have room for those, but I do have about 4 more super hot, so if I have one that goes bad I can replace it. The rest I'm going to grow in 5-gallon containers using the wicking method. And I've got 2 nice tomatoes left over that are very tall. Then I'm going to replace with those 2 that just didn't make it. Well, it's just a real quick overview. Thank you for watching.